Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Prince.
Sir, today my topic is what to do after pre-board exam. After
For board
pre-board, full
exam.
board exam.
Yes, this question comes in the mind of each and every student
Hmm.
who are going to prepare and appear for the board exam commencing from 16th February 2026. So it is for both class 10 and 12.
12 years, sir.
The very first question that you have asked, that what to do and how to analyze and how to prepare for the further. See, this is the time that you have to go for introspection. Ask what it is.
What is this, sir?
Analyze what is lacking in you. Suppose you have got the result of pre-board exam. Somewhere in physics, class 12 student, they are not having mastery of some of the concepts and some of the topics. No problem. Analyze about your performance. First one, ask sir how to analyze.
How to analyze, sir?
See the marks and see the copies where exactly you have to make a change. Like suppose you have to derive a formula in physics, and unfortunately your derivation is incomplete. That means you are not conceptually strong. Am I right?
Right, sir.
So what you have to do, immediately analyze your performance, identify your weak areas, and try to focus.
What is the main point?
Main point is to analyze the performance, because unless you analyze the performance where you are lacking, you will not be able to put right effort. देखिए, suppose someone is very good at maths, no problem,
No, sir.
but he wants 100% performance. So he will have to see where he is lacking. Suppose someone has got 60% marks in maths, then she or he will see where which chapter she is not able to mastery. So focus 70% attention on weak, points or weak topics. Now for English, I'm just telling you. Suppose a student preparing for class 12 has to go for writing skill, critical writing. Now he has very little time for English because he is busy in physics, chemistry. No problem.
No, sir.
He can devote one day in 1 week. No, not more than that. And he should practice at least article writing, letter to editor,
Essay.
business letter, communication letter. Because now resume, because these are the questions which always come. How to write resume, how to draft an invitation letter, how to draft order, letter of order. This is for class 10 and 12. How to focus attention to the reader through letter to editor. All these are common topics. Then the question comes that what to do. Suppose you have got 10 days or 12 days now. Now maximum 12 days.
12 days, yes,
So
sir.
you can do one thing. In one day, you can solve 1 year's board question paper.
Previous year papers.
Previous year's question. Suppose there are 5 subjects. Divide one day, 2 subjects, 3 hours. You have to devote solving previous year's question. 5 to 6 years question you have to solve within 5 days. So if you're taking 2 subjects or 3 subjects in a day, there will be at least 3 question papers, 3 board question papers the children can solve. Class 10 as well as 12.
12.
Now, while solving board question paper, previous question paper, they have to evaluate because the answers are given in sample paper. They have to see that how many mistakes they have committed, where exactly they are lacking, which portion they need to strengthen. So they have to strengthen. They have to strengthen the weak points. Number 1, bolo. They have to strengthen the weak
The
topics.
big topic.
Improve writing
Improve
speed,
writing skills.
create a strict daily revision schedule that 2 hours to 3 hours I'll revise the lessons, and also analyze and identify and review your pre-board answer sheet. See, the answer sheets have already been evaluated and given to the student. Now they will see that where the teacher has really given full marks and where the teacher has not given full marks. That means the questions which the children have not got full marks, conceptually they are not complete. Somewhere there is something lacking. Then comes time management. 3 hours, if the question paper is of 3 hours, let the child complete it within 2 hours, 1 hour before.
This is important,
हाँ,
sir.
this is important. 3 hours मतलब 3 hours में नहीं करना है. You complete the whole question paper in 2 hours and 2.5 hours maximum. Don't take more time. Then make the list of topics which require more attention. Maybe that you are in biology, you have not revised for class 10 life processes, coordination,
Coordination.
and you have not, revised reproduction. Revise. Then, let us say in chemistry, you have not revised hydrocarbons or IUPAC name. For class 10 and 10.
Nomenclature.
For class 12, it is very important to go through competency based question. Ask why, sir?
Why, sir?
Because immediately after board exam, they will have
Face the
NEET and
NEET or
this
mains.
one, JEE.
J means.
So questions in JEE and NEET comes on 70% question comes on
Competency exam.
case studies. So the questions which are related to case studies,
Case studies.
they should be given proper attention. Then come to prioritizing NCERT. Why I am telling you? Because all the questions comes from NCERT books. Each and every line of NCERT book has to be comprehensively studied. Children, what do the children do? They actually go for question paper and they do not study the whole topics given in NCERT. Because of that, they do not catch all the questions.
Question.
If you really want to attempt all the questions, read NCERT textbooks and then do the board questions. After reading the topics from NCERT book, sit for previous year's board question. Solve at least 5 to 10 years of question papers within this 10 days.
Within these 10 days.
5 to 10 years.
Sir,
minimum.
sir, revision is important or not?
Revision is very important. Conceptual revision is very important. 10 years or 5 years question papers have to be understood and solved. Pattern of the question has to be known. And then stimulate some exam conditions. Like in exam, you are given strict time. You should not exceed. Practice solving sample paper within 2.5 hours, not in 3 hours.
Only
3 hours means then you will have some problems.
in exam.
And then for maths and science, focus on solving numericals. For example, any student who is sitting for physics test or science test in 10, he has to solve light, electricity, and one more, magnetic effect of current. So current, electricity, and then light. These 2 chapters are very important in physics. Then in class 12, kinematics. Kinematics are very important. They have to solve questions. Then in mathematics, quadratic questions, they are very, very important. Circle in class 10 is very important.
Very important.
Then probability is
This is math.
very important.
This is part of math.
Then height and distance and trigonometric identities are very important. So the students must not leave any topic untouched. Number 1, focus solving numericals and practice diagrams. In biology, labeling of
Diagram is most important.
they are very important. Then last but not the least, the parents and the teachers must guide them. See, I tell you, now the students, most of the students are free from school. It doesn't mean that they will not talk to the subject teacher. If they have any difficulty, they have their phone connection. They can talk to the subject teacher and ask, sir, give me 10 minutes time. I will come on Sunday on your house, or I will come to school on Saturday. Let us say on Saturday or on ask appointment of the teachers on any weekday. एक दिन के लिए लीजिए कि I want your help for just 1 hour. Teachers are ready. Parents must sit with the child. Parents का काम है let the child solve. The parents must sit with the child at least for 2 hours. Let's see that whether the child is really solving the question paper or will just see it from the cell phone and solve it. So the monitoring of solving the paper is very important. Am I right? Then language, practice writing letters, essays, articles and all that. And then social studies, create timetable for history and connect concept to real world. Smart revision strategy. What is ask? What is a smart revision?
Sir, what is smart?
Yes, active learning techniques like marking notes, underlining the lines from NCERT book, and making the concept clear. Then, most important, mental and physical health. Avoid being lazy. Get up early in the morning. Be always and take healthy breakfast.
Healthy breakfast and
take a regular break after 2 hours.
2 hours.
After 2 hours, 20 minutes break. Walk inside your house or walk down in the street for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Play if you can play for half an hour and focus on all these attention. Am I right?
Right, sir.
Now, have you got any questions?
Sir. Sir, some students can take a stress for our class 10 and 12 exam related. Why? मतलब बहुत से स्टूडेंट मतलब स्ट्रेस में रहते हैं अपने एग्जाम को लेकर.
There is no need to stress. Now the time for stress has gone. Now you have to de-stress yourself. And the best
How to overcome this type of problem, sir?
They should talk to their parents if they have any problem. They should listen to music. They should go for meditation for 10 minutes. There are a lot of things that can de-stress you. Those children who are very good at painting, they can draw a painting in the break hour. Those who are very good at playing instrument, they can play guitar for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Those who are very good singers, they can sing and record song. There is nothing wrong in that. 20 minutes break should be there after 2 hours. And that break can be utilized in listening songs or watching any favorable program,
yes, sir,
or talking to the parents or teachers. Am
sir,
I right?
Yes, sir. Sir, lastly, what lesson can say our class 10 and 10 मतलब 12 student? आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं?
हाँ, देखिए, that always be positive. Don't think that the result is important. Your effort is important. Result is not important. Even if you get 80% marks, if you crack JEE in it, your purpose is fulfilled. So don't go for percentage of mark. Go for conceptual and competency based learning. Competency based learning will help you crack the competitive exam. Even if you got 80% marks, you can be a successful candidate in JEE and NEET. But even if you got 90% marks, if your concepts are not clear, you will never be able to crack the exam. And that is my best wishes. So with that, I wish all of them a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Take care.